Yeah. Got a box. Where this box from? Can-Am. No, they didn't send me something. We bought this. We bought this. Let me show y'all what we got. What's this? What y'all think come in this big box? Oh. Straight from the dealer. You know what I'm saying? Straight from the factory. My man needed a new one of these. Some of y'all might know about this. Some of y'all might know about this, some of y'all might not know about this. But these break a lot. Let me show you where. I'm gonna show y'all where. And you probably didn't even know this yet, but you're gonna go look at your bike as soon as I show y'all this. Check this out. This right here. Right here. See these little things right here? They break a lot. Take a look at my man's bike right here. Right there. We got that right there. And he got a crack right here. He didn't even know he had that. You see that right there? You don't see nothing right there, right? Damn. Man. You got a little nip on the hood too, but right there. We're gonna be putting a new one on there. Pipe game. Peace.